The heights that great men have reached and kept were not attained in sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upwards in the night. These great men and prime personalities from corporate India will join us here on the show and talk about their brands, journeys, leading the corporate change, and so much more. I'm Neha Serene, and you're watching Prime Speak, an initiative by the World Consulting and Research Corporation, a leading brand research, rating and media company that endeavors and is determined to celebrate these few good men who are true brand custodians in the most elemental and definitive way. Our first guest on the show today, at the age of 21, an electrical engineer, he had a dream. He had a dream to help patients with musculoskeletal and rheumatic diseases. That dream took flight when he pioneered and founded Ascent Meditech Limited and a brand called Flamingo. Flamingo helps manufacture and export orthopedic rehabilitation products. In other words, when you visit your friendly neighborhood medical store and ask for bandages, splints, braces, a walker, crutches, or even a wheelchair, you're probably owning a Flamingo. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Rajiv Mistry. Sir, you've been a part of the industry for 25 years now. Can you tell us a little bit about how you've seen the entire medical device manufacturing industry evolve over time here in India?
The industry has evolved a lot of change in last 25 years, which I have witnessed. In terms of a lot of new products have come out, a lot of new inventions have happened, and the kind of industry is not only growing, but also it is widening as well.
And there are so many people out there being entrepreneurs, getting into the whole startup space. What advice would you give them?
So important thing what needs and a new entrepreneur needs to keep for himself is the patience and the determinations.
How badly would you like to be 21 all over again?
I would love to do it because this is a time where I see a lot of opportunity. Only I really want to, come to that young age again.
But sir, talking to you, it's very clear that you're still very young in spirit, and it's wonderful having you here on the show today. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Join me in welcoming on Prime Speak, Mr. Sunil Kumar Agarwal, founder and director of Kamdhenu Ispat Limited. Welcome, sir. आप आए, बाहर आ गई. ना आपने इतना सक्सेस हासिल किया है, इसका सीक्रेट क्या है?
We are in this state since 1982. 82 में हम लोगों ने पहला स्टील का प्लांट लगाया था, और उस समय जब हम लोगों ने स्टील का प्लांट लगाया था तो क्वालिटी नाम की चीज़ नहीं होती थी. 1995 में हम लोगों ने पहला प्लांट भिवाड़ी में लगाया, जो एक स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट टेक्नोलॉजी, जो बेस्ट अवेलेबल टेक्नोलॉजी थी, बेल्जियम की एक टेक्नोलॉजी थी, टेम्पकोर टेक्नोलॉजी, उसके साथ हम लोगों ने टाई अप किया और उसके साथ हमने प्लांट लगाया. और हम चाहते हैं कि सरिये से, टीएमटी से शुरुआत होती है और पेंट से ख़त्म होती है. किसी को घर बनाना है तो एक बार कामधेनु पर ट्रस्ट करे और ट्रस्ट करके अपने घर की पूरी फिनिशिंग करे और तसल्ली से, बहुत इत्मीनान से खुद का इंश्योरेंस कराए. घर के इंश्योरेंस की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
सर, आपकी बातें सुनकर मुझे एक शेर याद आ गया. आप पर अर्ज है. जी. रेडी?
थैंक यू.
गर देखना ही चाहते हो मेरी उड़ान को, गर देखना ही चाहते हो मेरी उड़ान को, तो जाओ और ऊंचा कर दो अपने आसमान को.
वाह. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
बट मुझे ये भी पता है कि आप भी शेर और शायरी में थोड़ा बहुत इंटरेस्ट रखते हो, क्योंकि शो शुरू होने से पहले सर वाज टेलिंग मी अबाउट वन particular poet who he is very fond of and quoting his words to me. तो ज़रा आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को भी बता दीजिए.
अब्दुल कलाम जी की एक कुछ लाइनें हैं जो मैं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ. शायरी तो शायद नहीं है. सपने वो नहीं होते जो आप सोते हुए देखते हैं, सपने वो होते हैं जो आपको सोने नहीं देते.
वाह सर. We hope to bring more such inspiring stories your way, more entrepreneurs, game changers, pace setters, visionaries joining us right here on Prime Speak. But for that, you need to wait for the next episode. Bye for now.